Dogs need to be hydrated at all times to be able to maintain healthy fur and skin, and to be able to regulate their body temperature when the temperature outside becomes too high. The best solution for it is to use a dog water fountain. Dog water fountains provide your pooch with a continuous flow of fresh water, making it taste better and remain more relaxed than it would be if served in a bowl. Also, getting a water fountain will save you time on cleaning and emptying drinking bowls. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The PetMate Refill dish offers a gravity flow design and a charcoal filter that provide a continuous flow of pure, delicious water. Also, it comes with a microban antimicrobial product protection that helps prevent the growth of stain and odor-causing bacteria in the base. It is made of PET plastic, making it safer for your pets, with an easy-to-clean full-mouth bottle and plate. Moreover, it gradually fills the bowl as it empties, giving pets an extended supply of fresh water with fewer refills required. On the other hand, it features recessed areas for easy lifting and water filling, and non-skid rubber feet to keep spills and movement to a minimum. Another advantage is the decorative smoke-colored 1-gallon bottle. It complements the stainless steel base and has a full mouth to make cleaning easy. The PetSafe Drinkwell multi-tier provides 100 ounces of fresh, filtered water to your pet. It has a free-falling stream of water that entices your pet to drink more and inhibits bacteria growth. Also, it offers an activated carbon filter that removes bad tastes and odors, giving your pet the best way to stay hydrated. It features 2 places for pets to drink from, the elevated dish and the lower bowl. It comes with a low-voltage submersible pump that helps provide quiet operation, and it is BPA-free and top-shelf dishwasher safe. Moreover, it has both upper and lower bowls that provide 2 drinking areas for dogs and cats. Another advantage is that the elevated bowl is excellent for senior or arthritic pets. The Maspro Pet Water Fountain features a flower-inspired design with 3 water flow settings. It offers 2-liter large water capacity that can be used for a month, no need to replenish frequently. Also, the pump keeps the water circulating through the filter cotton, blocking hair and debris, allowing pets to enjoy fresh, filtered water every day. Besides, the quiet motor can minimize the water sound. Moreover, safe food-grade imported resin material is BPA-free to ensure drinking water safety. On the other hand, the recirculation system increases the contact area of water and air with higher oxygen content and better water taste. Holding the first place among the list of best dog water fountains we have, PetSafe Drinkwell Platinum. It provides 168 ounces of water to your pet and features a capacity of approximately 1.3 gallons. Also, the free-falling stream aerates the water, and an activated carbon filter removes bad tastes and odors, giving your pet the best way to stay hydrated and healthy. The built-in reservoir increases capacity and makes refills easy. Moreover, the snap-on reservoir lid and rubber feet on the bottom of the fountain prevent sliding and tipping. On the other hand, it has a low-voltage, 12-volt system complete with cord tuck and inline disconnect for easy plug removal. Another advantage is that the pre-filter catches large particles before they reach the motor. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and share the video to show us some love. Subscribe and press the bell icon to get instant notification on all of our latest uploads.